Hello and welcome back, friends. You can see a beautifully grown aloe vera plant over here. It's really beautiful, and you can see the leaves are very healthy. You can use them, but it is for decorative purpose, so we won't take any leaves out of it, but we will show how to get new plants out of them. Here you can see the leaves has a lot of white spots on them. It is basically a young leaf. It is not ready to be used, and you can see the plant is small, but when the leaves become bigger, white spots will eventually disappear from the leaves, telling that the leaves are ready to be used. And you should always prune the dried leaves to maintain the shape of this plant. And you can see this pot is watered thoroughly. We used to water generally once in 2 weeks, checking the condition of the soil. If the soil is dry, we water it, otherwise just leave it like that. Here she gonna take out some of the suckers or the young plant out of this pot, and I'm gonna show you how to transplant them so that we will have same sort of plants in future. Select some of the plants which you want to take out. Generally take it a medium size. A too young will take a lot of time. A too bigger we will have difficulty to take out. So the medium sized plant will be good enough to be transplanted. Just take the plants out. You can see it is perfect fine. You don't see the roots, but still it is fine. I'll show you where the roots are later on. He's just taking out all the plants which we're gonna transplant it later on. The soil used over here is peat moss and perlite mixture, which is the perfect soil composition for any succulents or indoor house plant. The soil has a lot of nutrition in it for the plants, and they don't generally get dried soon. That's why the soil always maintain good level of water for the plants to be grown. So she is taking few of the plants. This plant always used to get good amount of sunlight, and it is always maintained in the good temperature. A temperature around 20 degrees Celsius is good enough, so that if the temperature is freezing, the plant's leaves might die or the plant may die. So here I got 3 baby plants. Let's check the roots. You can see the roots are intact with this. Base of this plant was attached with the mother plant. So now once we transplant them, they will have their own set of roots. Here you can see the roots are not so big, but still they are good to be transplanted. Here you won't be seeing any roots. Generally beneath every of the leaves there are new roots coming out. This is also good to be transplanted. So I have taken a pot from a Dollar Tree. It is good enough for your project. So just take peat moss and perlite composition and plant these baby aloe vera plants in the pot like this. The peat moss and perlite composition is good for them. I'm transplanting all of the plants in the same pot. They will be perfectly fine for now till the time they start growing and turning into bigger shapes. So just fill up with the growing medium, keep the plant upright as far as possible, and keep their leaves out of the soil so that the leaves will not rot inside the soil. Always try to maintain the good temperature for the plants. Freezing temperature or very low temperature are not good for them. They don't like the temperature, they don't grow well in them. So once you do that, water them thoroughly by checking the water is draining from below. So here you can see the pot is completely wet, the water is running out, so this is perfectly fine for more than a week. So you can just keep it like this, no need of water more. and this is perfectly fine. So place this pot at the sunny side of the window, or if the temperature are good, it is springtime, you can even keep them outside. Let's check a leaf. This leaf is not ready, but I'm just going to show you how much of the gel is inside the small leaf as well. The big leaf have really good amount of gel inside it. You can see it is full of the aloe vera gel. The benefits of it, I don't have to tell you, there are tons of benefit of it. Just Google it or check my another aloe vera video. And it's been a week and the temperature outside is so nice. It's around 20 degrees or sometime more, sometime less. That is perfectly fine. In the beginning, because of the detaching from the mother plant, they get shocked and they tries to discolor, or they turns into brown color. But once the roots start to grow in soil, they again turn back to green color, and they eventually turn into healthy plant and grow well. Once they grow big, you transplant into bigger and bigger pot. That's how you get amazing aloe vera at your home. So friends, in this way you can have your wonderful aloe vera plant at your home. If you have any queries, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. If you like my video, please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.